The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning in effect until 4:30 this afternoon for areas of the county that include Alpine, Harbison Canyon, Hamul, Descanso, and the Viejas and Verona Indian reservations and the surrounding areas. A line of severe thunderstorms was moving through that area. The area will remain under a flash flood warning until 4:30 this afternoon.
NGO and KMYI HD2 San Diego live, local, breaking.
Severe weather in parts of San Diego County. I'm Cliff Albert in the Koga News Center. A severe thunderstorm warning for parts of the East County was issued until 2:30 this afternoon after a line of heavy thunderstorms developed with 60-mile-an-hour winds and hail the size of nickels in areas from Alpine to El Cajon, Lakeside, Santee, and Rancho San Diego. And the National Weather Service also has issued an urban and small stream flood advisory and a flash flood warning until 4:30 this afternoon. That means flooding is imminent in some of those areas. Now, these areas include Alpine, Harbison Canyon, Hamul, Descanso, the Viejas and Verona Indian reservations, and surrounding areas. Once again, the flood advisory and flash flood warning in effect until 4:30 this afternoon. Meantime, forecasters are out today with their latest forecast about wildfires. They say that
in San Diego has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Riverside County in Southern California until 4 p.m. At 2:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Paris, Nuevo, and Lakeview and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, power lines, and trees. Locations impacted include Moreno Valley, Paris, San Jacinto, Woodcrest, Lake Matthews, Sun City, Temescal Valley, Nuevo, and Lakeview, Menifee, and Homeland. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Riverside, California. Severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in California: Orange and Riverside. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Riverside County in Southern California, East Central Orange County in Southwestern California until 4:15 p.m. At 3:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over northwestern Lake Elsinore and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Elsinore, Temescal Valley, Menifee, Sun City, Lake Matthews, Ortega Highway, Canyon Lake, Coral Valley, Lakeland Village, and Winchester. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in California: Orange and Riverside. Severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in California: Orange and Riverside. The National National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Riverside County in Southern California, East Central Orange County in Southwestern California until 5 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Temescal Valley, moving northwest at 5 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, citing power line entries. Locations intended include Lake Elsinore, Temescal Valley, Menifee, Sun City, Lake Matthews, Ortega Highway, Canyon Lake, Quail Valley, Lakeland Village, and Winchester. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. For the following counties in California, Orange and Riverside. Flash flood warning for the following counties in California, Orange and Riverside. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California, East Central Orange County in Southwestern California until 6:45 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding will likely begin shortly. Some locations that will likely experience flooding include Riverside, Moreno Valley, Lake Elsinore, Paris, San Jacinto, March Air Force Base, Menifee, Sun City, Woodcrest, Temescal Valley, Lake Matthews, and Ortega Highway. Severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in California, Orange and Riverside. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Riverside County in Southern California, East Central Orange County in Southwestern California until 5 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Temescal Valley, moving northwest at 5 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, citing power line entries. Locations intended include Lake Elsinore, Temescal Valley, Menifee, Sun City, Lake Matthews, Ortega Highway, Canyon Lake, Quail Valley, Lakeland Village, and Winchester. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. For the following counties in California, Orange and Riverside. Thunderstorm warning for Riverside County in Southern California until 4:45 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., a severe storm was located near Woodcrest, 49 miles southeast of Riverside and near East. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and heavy-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof with entries. Locations include Western Lake Elsinore, Paris, March Air Force Base, Woodcrest, Temescal Valley, Lake Matthews, and Lake Paris Recreation Area. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. For the following county, Riverside, California. Pacific Daylight Time for the Santa Clarita Valley. A beach hazard statement remains in effect until thunderstorm Pacific Daylight Time for the Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands,
California.
Los Angeles County Coast.
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Orange County in northwestern Arizona, central San Bernardino County in southern California until 6:45 p.m. or 6:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time at 5:30 p.m. or 5:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles northeast of Catskill Village Park, southwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard winds 20 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicle is expected. Expected wind damage to roofs and siding and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Cabins, Tommorow, Parker Dam, Temperature, Needles, 3 Dunes Campground, Cattail Cove State Park, Desert Hills, and Black Meadow Landing Campground. Includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Arizona between mile marker 0 and 29. Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 144 and 155. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: San Bernardino, California.
Thunderstorm warning for west central Mojave County, northwestern Arizona, central San Bernardino County in southern California, south central Clark County in southern Nevada until 7 p.m.
Standard Time a severe thunderstorm was located 47 miles south of Bullhead City, moving west at 20 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour.
Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicator. Impact, expect damage to roofs.
Hazard includes Bullhead City, Laughlin, Catherine Landing,
Bullhead City, Laughlin, Catherine Landing, Needles, Oatman, Mojave Ranch Estates, Mojave Valley, Cottonwood Cove Campground, Big Bend Rec Area, Mesquite Creek, Arizona Village, Cottonwood Cove and Willow Valley. This includes Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 138 and 146. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning
following county until San Bernardino, California.
For the following county,
These are the 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time observations for Orange County. John Wind Temperature Center 3.
Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for the northern Antelope Valley in Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 8:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:08 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm with heavy rainfall over the northern Antelope Valley from Lancaster to the Kern County line. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lancaster, Palmdale, Highway 14, and Highway 138. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lancaster, Palmdale, Highway 14, and Highway 138. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Has issued a flash flood warning for the northern Antelope Valley in Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 8:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:08 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm with heavy rainfall over the northern Antelope Valley from Lancaster to the Kern County line. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lancaster, Palmdale, Highway 14, and Highway 138. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
What could be worse than thinking about your own death? Seeing what could happen to your family if you died without life insurance. Last year, my best friend's husband died at 41.
The flash flood warning for northern Antelope Valley in Los Angeles County will expire at 8:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The heavy rain has ended. Flooding is no longer expected to pose a threat in the warning area. Please continue to heed any remaining road closures. Additional heavy rain will be possible overnight into Wednesday across the Antelope Valley, with the potential for additional flash flooding.